So, you know where the end of Rubber Road is?
Yeah.
There's a big tree line down there. There's a bunker to the left of it. We're gonna go right around. See where those trees part in the distance? Yeah, that's where we're going. And they're all to the left. Hear that? See movement that way. Looks like Dan. Looks like our guys.
I've got no visuals here.
Okay.
There's somebody around the corner.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
One down there. There's two bunkers to our left. Nice, nice.
Bunker right here. Really target. Go, go. Guys, get the tree line.
Got him. Got him. I got him too.
Yeah. You're hitting where? Yeah, alright. I got the guy in those forests first.
Did you?
Run.
There's a bunker. There's a bunker like 30 feet from us. I think there's a guy laying behind it.
Lee, put your gun down. You don't need it.
Yeah, he's definitely there. I might pop out and shoot at him. Watch out, guys. There's a lot down there.